Okay, so here's a church I haven't been in years. There's these two verandas, and we're trying to see if we can get them. It is about a 40-foot ceiling. So we would need a lift that goes up about 40 feet. I will keep you guys posted. So here's the fans. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. Interesting that they have high. Pairing noise. Not surprised. Okay. Just in case anybody wanted to see him downstairs in the same church. Oh, probably a projector. I was like, was that a hugger fan? So far, I haven't seen anything cool outside of the lights and fans in the sanctuary, but it doesn't hurt to walk through. Rick, if you want some ceiling tiles. It's a cool building, but I don't see anything worth saving.